Hi and welcome. Adam Rovithis with Rovithis Realty. They always say location, location, location. And here at 97 Calley Street, we have just that on the Wilbraham line. Behind me, a gorgeous colonial that's absolutely been meticulously maintained. The owners have put a lot of money into all the expensive updates, so you don't have to. Newer shingles, new heating system, new windows, new driveway, a shed out back, all within the last 5 to 10 years. Out back, an absolutely gorgeous, serene backyard. We've got a swimming pool, a nice private backyard that abuts conservation land, a gazebo, great for entertaining. Come on, let's go check it all out. Well, I hope you enjoyed your personal tour here at 97 Calley Street. Inside, the house just does a great job of maximizing space and allows you to feel connected when entertaining with guests, thanks to the loft and rec room up above, as well as the direct path into the kitchen. And with summer around the corner, I don't know how you don't just fall in love with this backyard, thanks to the pool, the gazebo, the separate dining area, as well as the side yard. If you have any additional questions about the property or would like to schedule a private tour with me, please don't hesitate to contact me at the number below. Also, if you know anyone else looking for this nice of a home here in Springfield, please share the video link with them. I know they'll thank you. Here at Rovithis Realty, we truly believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.